Hey everyone, Dave Evans here with a quick tip on avoiding Midi conflicts if you have multiple consoles set up within CompuShow. I have, as you can see here, an APC 40 and an APC 20, and just looking at the screenshots here, you can see they're really nearly identical consoles, with the exception of the APC 40 has some extra dials, switches, crossfader, etc. But it did cause a few problems because both of these consoles transmit on channel 1 and send the same MIDI note number. So what was happening is, for example, right now I'm moving the slider on my APC 20 and the APC 40 is capturing that as well as the APC 20. So it didn't allow them to act as unique consoles. And you could fix this with using a MIDI translator, but that gets a little complex and leaves you with a lot of work working on these predefined console maps, and won't really get into that too much because there's a much easier solution. And I found this just kind of by accident. I didn't see it in the manuals, so I thought I would create this video and share it with everyone else. So first, just to go back to my software settings for the MIDI setup, you can see I'm receiving MIDI in and MIDI out on that APC 20 and APC 40. And then what you can do is come back in here on your console, and if you right click on the tab, you can come in here to MIDI device settings, and in this you can set the index of the console. So you create a new, so I'm going to set this to APC 20. You can see now it has index 1, and then you need to do the same thing on the out. And then we'll come here to the APC, close that out, come to the APC 40, do the same thing. So what you're saying here is that this APC 20 console definition will only respond to the APC 20, and the APC 40 will only respond to the APC 40's input. So right now I'm moving my APC 20 slider. It's not registering on the 40, but it is on the 20. Likewise, if I move it on my APC 40, it responds, but it doesn't on the APC 20. And this is despite the fact that they are both transmitting on MIDI channel 1. On the note numbers, they send the same note number. I'm just kind of going back and forth between the consoles here. But CompuShow handles all that mapping internally, so you don't need to do anything else. And although I don't have two identical consoles, I believe this technique would work if you had, say, two APC 20s or two APC 40s. You could apply this the same way, and CompuShow would treat those as independent controllers. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. If there's any questions or comments, please post them below. Thanks.